have up here Erin, Elena, and Imran. Okay. Now, these two young ladies have only had 5 lessons. Erin here just started on the guitar, Elena started on the drums, and this young boy here had only had a few months at the keyboard. But they are all very talented musicians, they have all the instruments in the house, and they have got a very big support unit here today. Come turn and face them. Okay, who are all in Imran and the sister support team? Put up your hands. Wow! Okay, alright, now Imran, can you get there? I will set everything up for you.